Hello guys, sa ka fel, bienvenue sur channel mwen, bienvenue sur channel nou ki se Everything is Lucille, but I say it's the land. Lord, I don't know mwen nou. Okay, so je dan pote yon Shein back to school haul pou nou. So yeah, mwen diski kek kat, ki si mwen wale l'ekol, mwen apmete sou mwen pou mwen kapaba ale l'ekol. You guys, as already see on the title, I'm going to do a back to school clothing haul with Shein. Please like my video if you like it, okay, and then subscribe and then share it please with your homegirl, okay. So probably guys, please partage video and then share video avec amis ou connaître amis pour aller l'école. Yeah, I'm all over the place, okay, because I've tried to day on, so I'm like blah. So yes, pour mes outfits là, nous déjà reçu moi qui c'est pas ça, me mettez. Moi j'ai acheté, parce que côté marché dans la tête, marché dans ça. Walmart. I don't remember what I bought it. Probably in Rainbow. I think I bought it in Walmart. So ça c'est pas tellement ça. Sinon elle get petit bail blanc ça, surtout parce que moi j'ai fait vidéo, moi j'ai fait un Shein, Shein haul. So yeah, I love it from see, okay. So ça fait ça. So yeah, nous capable mettre les, vas-y. I don't know, on est les gars. Vous pouvez faire comme ça, si vous voulez, you know, vous pouvez faire sexy. Mais vous pouvez sur l'essence, on va faire la carotte. Sinon, vous pouvez just run to, you know, you can just, I don't know, put it like that, however you want. But, yeah, bed, take your time. Let's put my car. Ok, so mi fè photo. Ou sinon, sou vlog ka mette kon sa tout. Toujours mette li belle, you know, li just belle. I love it. Li vraiment, vraiment belle. Simple et belle, ok? Actually, mwen fè belle. It's very simple and beautiful because of me. Lol, so yeah. So yes guys, so my next outfit is going to be... Tell me guys, do you guys love this outfit? Like, nou men, fèd lan li belle. Fèm kon yon mesdames, eske li belle, fashionista mwen yo. Si sa mwen dekaba fèm dekaba to improve li, ou eske li vraiment belle kon sa. So, okay, I don't know about this one. I don't know. I don't really like it, but it's something, okay? It's still alright. So, they can just... So yeah, now let's see the light is on. So yeah, I don't know about this one. I feel like I don't really like it, but with lighting, it's giving another vibe. It's giving another vibe, okay. Lord, so yeah, so I'm gonna try it with this. Obviously, we did avec ça, moi pour moi qui c'est pas moi. C'est noir. Je l'ai payé pour mettre ça sur parce que j'ai acheté beaucoup. On va mettre sur moi. So, qui j'en ai ça? Do you guys like this one? So this is the second outfit. So yeah, ça this is my outfit là. Okay, actually back comme ça, je vais mettre le button just say okay, but me say comme ça moi. So I said let me try it like that because this is not how I plan to wear this shirt. But you know, we're gonna improve, honey, okay? Because we're going to school. Look out for no improve parce que l'école nous va aller. Okay? So yeah. Okay, so kung yan namin ng mga utang ng outfit lang. Wait for it. So yes guys, c'est troisième outfit là. Moi je te parle ça dans Walmart. And then when they acheté maillot sana Shein, of course là. So yeah, c'est comme ça les moi. Tu me scrive la comment là. So yeah, I bought the pants, those short pants from Walmart, and then the shirt I got it from Shein. So yeah, so you can wear it like that, like you can roll it on the front if you want to. Mount it par des plans souple, you know, mount it. Seulement ces petits bouts de side qui paraissent, ok, honey, lol. Capable de faire la porte ou souple. Or sinon, if you want to, you can do it on the back, you know, it's giving a vibe, right? So yeah, let's see. So yeah, Ay, se lo ki sa. Bezal Facebook. Aski ba sa well. So yes guys. Eske no emeli, you know. It's my second outfit. No, that's my third outfit, Lord. So the fourth outfit is going to be what it? So yes, this is my fourth outfit. Sa se katriyem rad lan, kawe son rad ki just like vibe. Okay, that's something actually na was. Di vreman ben rebele yo gen design sa la dani, design moun la dani. Anyway. So yeah, on kapab fel kon sa, on kapab mette ti koni aso li. Sinon, so pas vle to, just come it, you know. If you don't want to, you can just put it back, honey, and let your hair bright. Okay, kala che vous respirer. So yeah. Ok, ça c'est quatrième outfit là. So cinquième outfit là. Il va être presque même genre, ok, but avec un différent maillot. Alright. So, qui dit qu'il y a ce nom que le diagramme de plus. Est-ce que vous aimez ça? Ça va au cours de ma vidéo, non? So yeah, ki sa nou plis reme nou, se chou wèl bay nan l'ekol la, So yeah, eske nou plis reme sa, ou sinon eske nou plis reme sa mdemote nou apan. Mwen reme sa, mwen reme gen design sa la dani. Kan mette la vek nepot koule potan an jeans ouvle, potan an jeans long. Kan mette la vek an pil bagay, pase an pil koule la dani. And then, ni make queen, you know. Kwa just rete konsa l'ekol ou, you know, rete l'ekol la konsa. That's I guess my 5 outfit, and then yeah. So this one I was thinking like, I don't know, let's see, which one should I put it with? You know, I just bought this one from Shein, so let's see how this one goes. Like, get no time by me to senti one. Like, it's been so long since I have worn a belt. Hey, belt la ba ko andi ba rin, no? Hey, get your face to my salon, mim. My son is here. But I have a surprise for you guys. Mwen mette avec un jacket sous lui. Of course, parce que je vais à l'école comme ça, right? So mwen mette un jacket sous lui. I don't think I can go to school like that, right? So I'm gonna put a jacket on it. This jacket that I bought from Shein too. Okay, so bag la li men, li pa au courant des vidéos me bezwen fè, ok? Bag la koule nan sa, se pa au courant des vidéos me bezwen fè. So that's outfit number 6, you know. So make sure you get this up, you know, because you're in school, okay? Just want to monter jip là. Ou sinon, on peut mettre un jip qui est plus long, parce que quand on va aller faut mettre mon jeune à l'école là, puis qu'on est, est-ce que jip là va trop court ou s'il va trop court, ok? Parce que jip là court un peu, but nous voyons, idem veut montrer nous, ok? Qui c'est Okay, so that was outfit number 6. So I'm going to outfit number 7. So I went number 7 back on my outfit like I'm seriously back on it. Skate up, I'm shame bizarre dummy, fait tout minute là. C'est qu'elle comme dit mal. So yes, I'm going to many guys. Moi est-ce que nous met outfit ça pour aller à l'école. Qui ça nous passe les ça c'est pour c'est 6e or 7e outfit là. I don't know, I can't remember if this one is the 6th one or 7th outfit, but I really like this one. Like, yeah, this one was from Shein too, so I'm acheté dans Shein too. Il est vraiment belle, on l'a mettre avec un cheveux rose. On a Christmas, il est vraiment belle. And then they plus quoi toujours, so they can wear curves, they can palette, okay, honey. So yeah, so I'm gonna match it with something strange. I don't know. I was thinking like I can wear this with it. But wait, how do I wear it? Full of food, okay? I don't know. Do you guys get the idea? I don't want my hair to mess up, so I'm just going to ask it. Probably shaving been got it. Yes. Look at this vibe, like, you know, I know it's different, the vibe when I come see match, but sometimes when I get different, so I was saying, like, I know, like, You guys may not like it, so because it's just probably too much, but sometimes you know you have to do something different. You know that one girl in school that always came with something different? I think I'm that girl right now. So yeah. But yeah. Okay. Let's do it without the hat. I think it's better without the hat. Yes, it's better without the hat. So yeah. No many guys. Outfit mo ganyan ako. So yes guys, so I still have outfit now. This is the last, probably the last outfit. I think it is a vibe or not. It's a vibe or not, guys. So yeah, so je not mettre maillot sa yon pour mettre soutien qui pas manche, like you know. It's I see them getting swim, so I need to have a video. So remember to put a bra that doesn't have I don't know the name for this. You guys put it in the comments, okay? So yeah. So c'est la outfit là guys pour l'école. Mwen meti detay sa li gen la den la mwen me chanpil. I really love this one, this print. I love this detail. And I love like it match my ring, you know. I'm gonna put a photo comme ça avec lui. Sinon, je vais faire une photo comme ça. You name it, okay? Viens pour le aller.